Do you know that the first electronic wallet in India was Wallet365.com? This was roughly 3 to 4 years prior to the launch of Mobikwik and PayTm. Wallet365.com was launched in 2006 by Times Group in collaboration with Yes Bank. Fast forward to a decade and a half later, in 2021-22, India witnessed 60 trillion rupees worth of digital transactions. And what's more, India saw the highest number of digital transactions in the entire world. 48 billion transactions. Now, these digital transactions span from your bank cards, ATMs, mobile, and internet banking, to digital wallets and UPI. Of course, the rise of digital wallets and UPI took our digital transaction game to a whole new level. But how did it all begin? Let us explore that in this video.
In 2006, Wallet365.com was launched by Times Group along with Yes Bank as India's first e-wallet. People could use other payment methods to load money in their wallets and use them for quick checkouts. The goal was to save time and ease up payment processes. It was inspired by PayPal but did not gain much popularity. Since then, many e-wallet companies have emerged to accelerate India's digital transactions. Mobikwik launched in 2009 and was soon followed by PayTm in 2010. These two e-wallets captured the majority of the market share and began expanding rapidly. Merchants added e-wallet as their preferred payment method. People began to step out of the house with no cash at all. And then, the digital wallet industry was segregated into four major groups. Independent wallets, though majorly by PayTm, Mobikwik, Freecharge, PayUmoney, etc. Wallet backed by banks like ICICI, SBI, HDFC. Telecom companies came up with Idea Money, Reliance Jio Wallet, Airtel Money, and many others. Last but not the least, being e-commerce giants, Amazon, BigBasket, Grofers had their own wallets. By 2017, there were 60 companies offering digital transactions, but near the end of 2018, only 49 companies were still standing. So what happened? Did people stop transferring money online? Absolutely not. The challenge here was the rise of a new hero, someone who could connect directly to your bank account and make the process simpler. Yes, I am talking about UPI. The challenge with digital wallets was the additional task of transferring money from your bank accounts to your wallet. Plus, some of the wallets did not even allow transferring money back to your account in case you change your mind. But then UPI made that task redundant. The Unified Payments Interface was developed by National Payments Corporation of India. As you know, it is primarily an interface for bank-to-bank transfers. It is regulated by the RBI and more than 300 banks are registered on UPI. There are over 4.5 billion transactions happening over UPI every month. It all began in 2016 and has now grown to over 150 million active users. The introduction of UPI gave India an edge over the entire world in becoming the most active country when it came to digital payments. Since 2019, UPI has also become the most preferred method to apply for IPO. The success of India's digital payments was so appealing that Google wrote to the US government asking to create a similar system for the country. The most popular UPI platforms today are Google Pay, PhonePe, and Amazon Pay. What does the future hold? Well, today about 40% of transactions are done digitally in India. Forecasts from the Boston Consulting Group say that it will go up to 65% by 2026. While the utility of the e-wallet and UPI is on similar lines, the UPI platforms have made it more efficient and easier to transfer money. And this fine line of comfort and ease have inclined more people from e-wallets to UPI. RBI's Governor Shaktikanta has announced that this system will soon be rolled out, starting with RuPay credit cards. This move by the RBI will now further accelerate India's growth in digital transactions.